To install Clang, first you need to open the terminal on Ubuntu. Here is the way to open the terminal. Follow the following steps to install Clang on Ubuntu. Step 1. Update your package list. You type this command in the terminal, then press Enter. Step 2. Install the Clang package. Next, you type this command. After installing, you can check the version of Clang. You type this command. Maybe your output will show a version similar to this, so it means installing was successful. You can write C code by using Gedit. You can launch Gedit with a new, blank document directly from the terminal with the following command. After writing the code, you save the file, name it main.c. Next, you need to move to the folder that contains the main.c file. After moving, you type this command. This command is to compile. After compiling, use this command to run the file named main.